In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Venmo account in 2025, ensuring you go step by step smoothly through the entire process. Now, before we dive into the steps, there are a few important things you should know. Firstly, you need to settle all your balances and transfer any remaining funds to your bank account before deletion because leaving any money in your Venmo account will prevent you from closing it. It's also crucial to do this process on a desktop browser since you can't delete your account via the app. And a fair warning, once your account is deleted, it's gone for good. That means no recovering your account or your transaction history, so make sure this is what you really want to do. Let's kick things off by transferring your balance to your bank account. Open the Venmo app on your phone and tap on your profile icon. Next, look for the Manage Balance section. Once you're there, select Transfer to Bank. You'll be given an option to choose between an instant transfer, which might cost you a small fee, or a standard transfer that usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Pick whichever suits your needs best and go ahead and confirm the transfer. It's a good idea, though not mandatory, to review and download your transaction history before closing your account. To do this, you'll need to visit Venmo.com using a desktop browser, log into your account, navigate to Statements or Settings, and look for the Download Statement option. This way, you can keep a record for your personal use or any future needs. Now let's move on to the main event, deleting your Venmo account. Head over to venmo.com/account/settings in your desktop browser and log in if you haven't already. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find the option to Close my Venmo account. Click on that, and Venmo will guide you through a series of prompts. They'll check to ensure your balance is zero and that you've taken a look at your recent transactions. Once you follow through those prompts and confirm, your account will be permanently deleted. You'll receive a confirmation email, including a final statement for your records. After you've deleted your account, keep in mind that you'll no longer have access to it. If someone tries to send you money, they'll encounter an error. Should you decide to come back to Venmo in the future, you can create a new account using the same email. However, your old transaction history won't be retrievable, and there you have it, the complete step-by-step guide to deleting your Venmo account in 2025. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and don't forget to download your transaction history if you think you'll need it later. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.